summer football away day, and Europe has some of the best in the world. We're here in Cologne to sample the sights, the sounds, the scran, and of course, the football.
Almost game time. We're going off to the stadium. We are now fully Cologne. Maybe for one night, maybe a bit longer. We're just about to pack onto public transport and get ourselves to the stadium. Yeah, it's pretty cosy. So we've just broken the world record for the number of people on a tram, and now we arrived at the stadium. So this is like entering the Colosseum here, red and white, ready for the game, let's go. So we're in the stadium, now it's time to get some grub, test the beer. We're in Germany, it's got to be beer, it's got to be sausage, maybe a pretzel, let's check it out. I think it's pretty popular because look at this queue. Danke. So we've got currywurst with bread, €4.50, and the biggest hot dog that you've ever seen for just €5. Cheers. Yeah, it looks like it. Half an hour to kick off, and it's already pretty electric in here.
The atmosphere here in Cologne is absolutely incredible. I've been watching football for over 30 years, both as a fan and as a reporter, and this is one of the best I've ever seen. And yes, that is a goat that they're bringing out now. It's the Cologne Mascot. It has been since the 50s when a local circus act presented it to the club to be their new mascot. It's on their club badge, and yet he comes out, eats the grass, and then that means the game then can begin.
The goat in the warm-up, ready for Cologne, and now we get ready for something really, really special, which is the hymn that starts off every Cologne home game. It's an absolute joy, so get ready for this.
The hymn sung by FC Koln. It's not Cologne, it's FC Koln over here, and what an experience that is. All 50,000 people on their feet, singing at the top of their voices, and that is a football experience that I'll never forget.
Cologne 4-1 down, but no problem. Look at this. So that's it, the fans still singing inside, but it's been a great away day. They lost 5-1, but come to FC Koln. come to Cologne, come and watch them play. It's a fantastic stadium and one of the real top class European away days.